Gather with friends and family this holiday and stress less in the kitchen. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today I'll show you how to impress your guests with a classic beef recipe using a simple cooking method that'll give you more time to enjoy the festivities. First, preheat your oven to 425 degrees. While that's warming up, season a 2 to 3 pound center-cut beef tenderloin roast with salt and pepper. Place the roast on an oven rack in a shallow roasting pan. Do not add water or cover. Then, roast the tenderloin for 35 to 45 minutes for medium rare doneness. While that's cooking, melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a skillet and add a half cup of shallots. Cook for about 2 minutes or until golden brown. Then, add 1 pound of sliced mushrooms and 1.5 tablespoons of minced garlic, cooking until mushrooms are tender. Next, stir in 1.5 cups of dry white wine and simmer for 7 to 8 minutes. Add 2¼ cups of reduced sodium beef broth and bring to a boil. Simmer this for 15 to 20 minutes until the liquid is reduced by about half. Stir in 2 more tablespoons of butter until melted, plus 1.5 teaspoons of dried tarragon leaves. Remove the roast when the thermometer registers 135 degrees for medium rare doneness. Remove the roast and transfer to a carving board. Let stand for 15 minutes, tent in foil, and the temperature will continue to rise up to 10 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it's rested to desired doneness, carve your roast into slices, season with salt, and spoon the sauce over the tenderloin to enjoy one delicious holiday feast. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com. And for more tips to keep you and your family healthy, follow us on Facebook or Instagram at Hy-Vee Dietitians.